Siben pony. Ah. Saya koma aje. Pesa ni kana. Oh. Pesa mi kumnyana seye muma. Pesa money adosu. Yeah. Kontom pony. Ah. The whole in the entire country, the entire continent, the best rapper ever. Obrafour, no doubt, no cap. You cannot doubt Obrafour's rap ability. Yeah. Today, everyone, you're welcome to come and tell me. So today we are coming to talk about Galamsey. Yes, Galamsey issues are trending nowadays. And then Addo it me as the troops to a year Galamsey site maybe say Omoko destroy excavators and a lot of things. Stay tuned with the videos and footages of excavators being burned. But before then, into your for you make a cry. Nature. Say akuma. Bana pono krana. Pesa mkunya na seye muma. Say money ados. Kontom pony. Yeah. Panica. Oh. Na yebu nipa. Yeah. This be the part where I want where I play the song. The be dinin ye be nyentino. And cause damages. Yes. The country is very hard. That one you can't doubt it. It is very hard to the extent that everyone is bleeding. Yes. The economy is not functioning. Everything is not going on well. Things are really not in good shape. But that doesn't give you the audacity, the authority, the manufacturability to go and destroy our water bodies and our lands and our rich forest. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Check what station number. Bako. Differ. So over the weekend, everyone was talking about Galamsey issues. Say your water bodies, say your water bodies and your bodies. This here where I go. So if I speak wrong English, please take up like that. If it's here where I go. Yeah. So everyone was talking about Galamsey issues that is being destroying our water bodies. You say, as I say, your forest is being destroyed because of greedy. Yes. Any they building in Nintendo, people are not thinking about the future, destroying our water bodies, and then destroying the lands as well too. And you know, Nanado had made the next form. Adaya or sending troops, military people, convoy at the Galamsey site. Na or more say yes, union sassano or me ako say a year put a stop to it. So what I say. And we and another team smart a year the troops, military people are more gonna see the helicopter in the room, SOV, a Galamsey site, what I say. And then they have surveyed a lot of sites and Amutimi Eco site in the Bina. What is happening is excavators are being burnt. Yes, excavators are for the more Galamsey site no. Obekaya since Nanado such over fighting Galamsey no. Since he came in 2020 and Galamsey issues started to rising much more. And another years or bar. That is his biggest dream. So we put a stop to it. But since 2020 till now, no, 2016 to 2020, no, now it was good. But 2020 to 2024, it is worse and worse. It's now the years are the best sending troops. I'm a Marco, I Galamsey sites. No Marco Chichi, no Manco far, or may involved no. And I got a full be now so many no, that is not and you know correct because on one members need be any year yes and penny for no more because excavators boy dene chan fines ni boy dene nti say timamuni no kakra bi timamu no few people can purchase that equipment to start the illegal mining nti penny for no more na omo eden involved and omo to sad, you know. And the most shocking thing is almost for guards they are on the Galamsey site. So what I say, and so I say no, they are there. Omu two and yes, AK-47 sa pistol and man. Omu powerful weapons. What I say, and you know who are those people? And China for a yena yamping for no and omo involved. So that was what the people were talking. So what I say, it's now that you send the troops on much site. Now the omo say they are burning excavators. Excavators no omo can't burn be like 3 to 4 years ago. I'm gonna foresee no. I didn't know one excavators no. Now ya kwen no won't send you to one district. Every district could have one excavators. So what I say, and every region can have one excavator. Now, sorry. Now, said the they can use that to maintain our roads and then make the roads better because your poor roads when it comes to this country. It a lot of fight. Yesterday I saw a video of Akosseria Kontomra a yet Mufona Kasan on the power show. Munsam ko Galamsey site. I got fighting the Galamseyers. What I say, they are holding guns, on the land. What I say. And the tune say, yes, a about 4 foot 20 bio, kind of a very, strong weapons. What I say. So it means rich people are involved in this Galamsey issues. So what I say. And then today, 2 excavators are burning in Galamsey site. And I'm putting for so, oh wow, because helicopters have been in the sky surveying the site. At the the Galamsey people, you get to arrest them, arrest the masterminded behind the Galamsey, Now on the excavators no fan kuku baby, now on distributing my regions na on to maintaining routes. Now instead of that burning the burning the excavators. People are saying it doesn't make sense. Sebi and you can and I the right way to do it. I the right way to put a stop to it. No matter how angry you are, you got to think twice what I say, because burning it down, what destroy Addo, what I say. And even at the end, you cannot even stop it at all, but just that you can reduce it. So what I say. And the other thing I want just excavators, so now found kuku baby now distributing my all the regions now maintaining routes. So the people are telling Addo to come again, because this one it is no good. What I say. So let me also see your mind in the comment section. It's kind of like excavators now. I'm sure people are not really happy with that. Even those who are not doing the Galamsey are saying Addo should collect the excavators, or should take the excavators from the Galamseyers. Now on Fanko baby he can later distribute it to the regions. What I say. Coming December is the general election, and you could even use that to distribute to the regions, and you could also gain voters. So what I say. So the people are saying this is not the right way to stop the Galamsey. What I say. And then the Galamseyers also brought a point on board. Say Galamsey cannot be stopped until the issue on board, the cause of the Galamsey and Kasano, it is being solved. What I say. You cannot wake up today and then tell us you're going to stop it. Meanwhile, the people who are doing it, they are willing to sacrifice their lives. That is why they are holding guns. They are protecting. What could happen? Say will be I don't know minority no my not as so. Na na adwebe say men say asase no. Na men fan piska. So it means there is something involved. What I say. So the people are saying it is unemployment rate that is causing the Galamsey in this country. So you cannot stop the Galamsey without providing jobs to the people. Say nipa will just continue finance or comedy and then they like it, because we've seen so many people going to Galamsey site no move because say nipa so he got to put his life or her life on the line and then go do it, a do or die job. So he like it than to be in the house and stuff. So what I say. So you cannot stop the Galamsey as Addo is trying to do. You cannot stop it unless you provide or you put a stop to the cause of it. And the cause of it is unemployment. People are hungry, people are angry, people are willing to get jobs. Graduates are in the house without getting employed. So what I say. So that is the cause. And looking at things, you could see most of the Galamseyers are degree holders, are diploma holders, are nurses, are teacher trainees. What I say. So they are in nipa na boka school abafie onya adwuma anye. So what should the person do? Want to mean tenafie mfa nsan share dem reform what that say. So also on so copy bibi now on so the behwe. So he got to involve himself or herself in the Galamsey. So the Addo should provide the jobs first before he can stop the Galamsey. Let me also see your mind in the comment section. And the comment section is all yours. Don't forget to leave us a like, comment down below. If you really enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. See you in our next episode of videos. Stick to the Pastor Cam Entertainment or News Headquarters. And I'm finally out.